Hi, this is Evan with Haven Lighting, and today I'm going to show you how to change the fuses on a Duo controller. Now this works with our Q series, our K series, our Wi-Fi, and our non-Wi-Fi. For this, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of tweezers. Let's get started. Flip it over and you'll see these screws. Go ahead and unscrew them. Now we're going to carefully flip it over and remove the lid. Be careful because there's a little lead here that we want to keep connected. So gently place that down and you'll see you've got your spare fuses here. You got 10 amp and 2 5 amp. And those correspond with these on the circuit board. So to replace them, get your tweezers out and you want to rock gently back and forth as you pull. And then these will have a little bit of adhesive on them. So you're going to want to rub that off before you replace. There you go. And then using the tweezers, and go ahead and replace it on the circuit board. Make sure it snaps into place. And there you go. So let's go ahead and put the lid back on, flip it over, and replace the screws. And there you go, good as new. As always, if you have questions, give us a call or visit us at havenlighting.com. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.